Hey guys, what's up? Megan on Coverdale. And this is going to be part 2 of restoring my 782 Cub Cadet garden tractor. So, in this video, we got it running. It fires right up. I'm not going to start it right now because I've been starting and stopping. I don't want to wear the starter out. I don't want to kill the battery, so, but it does run. We put a fuel shut off on it. I got to get a fuel filter, but for now, right now, it's pretty good. Change oil in it. I'm probably gonna change the plugs again. I don't know for sure, but no, I just replaced them. That's right. And I'm gonna get an air filter for it. And then after that, I'm gonna start restoring it today. So in this video, we'll be taking out the grill, the headlights, and this little mesh grill. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna put you guys down here. It's pretty easy to take the headlights out, a couple bolts and some wires, and the grill's easy, it just slides right out. So put you guys over here, put you guys up on this gas can here. So yep, there you go. So the grill pretty much it removes like this, and you gotta take the spring out. So the spring slides right out. I say it does. Yep, just like that. Whoa, there goes the grill. So you got your spring here. So there's the grill. Grill's out, so I'm gonna put it over to the side here. Looks weird now. So now we're going to take this mesh grill out, which is holding on by 4 Phillips head screws. Just gonna take that off. I'm sorry guys, hold up for a second. I gotta go get some screws here for a screwdriver. Okay, sorry about putting you guys down there. We're still recording? Yeah, we're still going. So now we got a Phillips head screwdriver. We're just gonna take these bolts out here. And the headlights will fall, so make sure to catch them, because this holds on the headlights also. There's one bolt. And hold on to your headlight, because this last bolt will make it fall. There's the headlight. Oh, and something just fell. Oh, it was the bolt. Shoot. I believe it was, right? Yeah. Somebody's revving a four-wheeler up. Okay, so now it should come off. There's a spring holding it on. You gotta pull that spring off somehow. There you go, just like that. And then your headlight comes out. Have to unhook the wires. There's one wire. There's 2 wires. And then your headlight comes out. Yep, just like that. So I'm gonna put that over to the side. Get the bolts here. Yeah, still going here. Yeah. Yep. And now we'll take the other headlight out. Okay, so there's bolts on that side. I gotta grab it here. Sorry about all that noise, guys. Somebody's revving a four-wheeler up. Well, guys, I lost my ratchet. Here's one. Found it. Okay. We're at. Hold on. We're at 6 minutes. Sorry guys, since I've kind of taken it's kind of slow, but just one step at a time, I guess. This thing unscrews. Which it's not unscrewing. There we go, now I got it. I know guys, I'm sorry it's taking so long. I wish I could time lapse, but I got my iPhone and it's kind of hard to do all that. So, there we go, there's the other bolt. What time are we at? 8 minutes. Okay guys, well we're gonna end I'm so sorry. We're gonna end the video here. All I gotta do is take out one more bolt and the whole grill comes out. And then next episode we will be we'll be removing the seat. And then after that, we'll start taping everything up. And then after that, we'll be painting. Well, I'll take the wheels off. And then after that, we'll be painting. And then after that, we'll be untaping, reassembling. And then go get the mower deck and all that. And then we'll be ready to go. So, it sounds easier than it sounds. Yeah, whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. So stay tuned for more videos on this Cub Cadet here. So later.